Later, Japanese people want to eat nabe at home or eating out. This nabe doesn't mean a pot. It's a dish made in one pot. This time, I'll introduce the basic method of making nabe that can be made here in the UK. Let's get started. This is the ingredients. Please refer to the description or my website there. Cut Chinese cabbage to 3 cm. Cut leeks diagonally. Peel carrot and cut to thin rectangle. Cut radish mori to same shape as carrot. Cut tofu. Cut mushrooms. I used shimeji mushrooms. I make it easy to eat. Cut chickens to bite size. Let's make soup. Put water and chicken stock and chicken. And sake. Put medium heat and boil. Remove lye. Remove a little soup and set aside for additional use. Put the vegetables into the pan and cover. And boil about 10 minutes. In the meantime, make ponzu soup. Put soy sauce and millet in the pan and boil for 2 minutes. Mix lemon juice. Serve and enjoy it. You can eat with ponzu soup. Using the remaining soup, you can enjoy udon noodle. Or you can enjoy Japanese style porridge with rice and eggs. Thank you for watching until the end. I will continue to introduce simple Japanese food, so please like it and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.